This is a quick tutorial on how I make a chunky knit blanket. I make a slip knot. I make sure it's about 3 fingers wide. Then I'm going to cast on 30 chains. I hold it down and I pull. Each loop, I want to make sure it's still 3 fingers wide. So I'm going to continue doing this until I have 30. Once I have my 30 cast on chain, I turn this upside down and I go through the middle parts. Each of these has 3 parts: the top, the bottom, and the middle. The top, the bottom, and the middle. Each of them, each of the chains has that. So I'm going to go through the middle one. This is my personal preference. So I pull through each middle loops. You can go through the top if that's better for you. I prefer to go through the middle. My cast on is done. I've pulled through the middle part to have my first row. Now I'm just going to continue knitting. I don't knit. I'm going to skip this one. I don't double knit it, like knit it the second time. I don't do that. This is my personal preference again. I always say it. So I just move ahead, go to the second one, knit, and I try to keep the body of the blanket about 1.5 or 2 fingers. 3 is going to cause it to have giant holes in them. So I try to keep the body of the blanket small. I'm just going to continue knitting like this until I get the desired length that I want on this blanket. So it depends on how big I want it, will determine how many skeins of yarn that I'm going to use. Now I'll just continue knitting like this, and I'll keep measuring until I get my desired length. And when I do, I just cast off. Okay, I've gotten to the end again. I'm going to knit the end. Now I'm going from my right to left. Just going to go ahead and knit that one. I don't double knit the end. Like I said, this is all I'm going to continue doing. Go from left to right, right to left, ensuring that I knit all the stitches or all the loops, that I'm not missing any one until I get my desired length. So you finish making your chunky knit blanket and you want to cast off. This is how I cast off. I knit, pull, then I double knit. This is the only time I double knit the end. This is to have that edge going the other way. Then I knit and pull over. I always make sure this is 3 fingers wide so it doesn't affect the shape or the size of the blanket. So that's what I would do. Knit, pull over, knit, pull over. I'll continue to do that until I get to the very end. Don't forget, make sure it's 3 fingers wide so it doesn't affect the size or the shape of the blanket. Okay, just continue going like that until I get to the very end. And that's the last one. I'm going to trim this off here, then make a knot. I'm going to make another knot so it's pretty secure. Okay, then personally I like to just tuck this in a few stitches or a few rows, then I burn it. Really like to burn it behind. This is so it doesn't start unraveling. And that's it. Your chunky knit blanket is all done.